and Travis here from the Wolf HunterZ. We have a reaction video for you as promised. Our social media platforms are above. The links are... The links are in the description box below. Today's video is brought to you by Them G. Them G's bringing us another rendition of Layla by Eric Clapton.
Unplugged.
It is unplugged, acoustic, a blues version, and Them G tells us it's amazing. So we are going to check it out, but before we do, hit the like button, subscribe, hit the notification and bell, comment below.
Is it ever truly unplugged though?
I'm excited for this because I really appreciated this song in the last version, and now I'm getting to hear another. The last one was
kind of like rocky.
I feel like now I need to listen to the original.
Not rocky as in like...
Because you said that,
rocky,
you were like...
Rocky as in like...
You were like, oh, this is more rockin' than the original, but yeah. I don't remember, like, I'm like, oh, it is? Like, so now I feel that I need to go listen to the original. But first, before that, this unplugged acoustic version. Let's do it.
Hiccup.
Hiccup.
See if you can spot this one.
This is...
Nice.
You've been running, hiding much too long. You know it's just your foolish pride. Layla, got me on my knees, Layla, begging, darling, please, Layla, darling, won't you ease my worried mind?
All right, so Them G. This is the one that I recall hearing in passing at a bar, restaurant, karaoke, whatever. This is the one that I'm more familiar with.
Yeah, that guitar melody riff,
the
whatever
really
you want to call
soft,
it.
smooth voice.
Yes. Yeah. It's beautiful.
I also really enjoy this one.
Yes.
Yeah.
So feel good.
Tried to give you consolation. Your old man let you down. Like a fool, I fell in love with you. You turned my whole world upside down. Layla, got me on my knees, Layla, begging, darling, please. Make the best of the situation before I finally go insane. Please don't say we'll never find a way. Tell me all my love's in vain. Layla, got me on my knees, Layla.
So this is how I thought Eric Clapton always sang. Like, this is like the type of Eric Clapton that I feel like my parents listened to. But now when I go back to the other version of Layla and I hear like how like aggressive it is, I'm like, oh my gosh, this is like two totally different artists.
Eric Clapton is like, what you want, I can do it.
I could do it, yeah.
Whatever you need, I can do it.
Oh my gosh. And so I'm familiar somewhat anyway with this acoustic guitar Eric Clapton, but then hearing this like solo lead shredding Eric Clapton, like, oh man, this is fantastic.
got me on my knees, Layla. Begging, darling, please, Layla. Darling, won't you ease my worried mind?
Still killing it.
Layla, got me on my knees, Layla. Begging, darling, please, Layla. Darling, won't you ease my worried mind? Layla, got me on my knees, Layla. Begging, darling, please, Layla. Darling, won't you ease my worried mind? Thank you.
Wow.
Yes, that was beautiful.
You know, Layla is one of these songs that, you know, I feel like, at least for me, you know, like I said, I grew up sort of hearing this song here and there. I said that in the last video, and hadn't really stopped to appreciate it. But like, it's so intricate. If you stop and listen, both versions of this song that we've heard have such intricate, beautiful parts with the piano and the guitars,
piano, oh
the
my
bass.
gosh.
And in the last version we listened to, that the bassist was going wild. Like, just how much you can do in this song with this beat, how much you can do instrumentally when you have such excellent musicians on the stage, led by Eric Clapton. Like, it just goes to show that, like, you can take he can take any song and make it super intricate and bananas.
Yeah.
Because that was bananas.
Thank you guys for hanging out. If you enjoyed hanging out, hit subscribe. If you enjoyed the video, also hit subscribe. Stay tuned, stay positive.
We love you guys, and
I just wanna bang my head.